Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many beginners face when learning about web fundamentals. The problem at hand is the misconception that you need a full browser engine to render a web page. Our goal today is to explore a solution that challenges this notion and provides alternative ways to render a simple HTML plus CSS page without relying on traditional browser engines. So, let's dive into this interesting problem and discover some unconventional solutions. In exploring a solution to our problem, it's important to note that you can render HTML plus CSS websites without a classic browser engine. One option is to utilize software like Qt, which offers a rich text feature that can convert HTML CSS into internal C++ representations. Additionally, terminal-based browsers like W3M and Lynx provide text formatting using ANSI as scapegoats. Another alternative is using renderers like Wiemer, which specialize in converting content to formats such as PDFs. While these solutions may seem unconventional, they demonstrate that there are creative ways to render web content without relying on traditional browser engines. In summary, we've explored a fascinating problem in the world of web development, the misconception that browser engines are always necessary to render web pages. By delving into alternative solutions such as Qt, W3MLYNX, and Wiemer, we've discovered that there are unconventional methods to achieve our goal. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it both informative and entertaining. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, sometimes the most innovative solutions come from thinking outside the box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding!